Well, well, well. Look what came unannounced today from DHS Diecast. Apparently, I pre-ordered this back in January, and it came today. No tracking update or anything. So what a surprise! So let's open this. Do a quick unboxing. Let me put this back on. Here we go. Let's see if it is. Yep, it is. Thank you for your purchase. Here it is. If I can get it out of the box. Boom. It is the Doosan DL420 made by IMC Models in 1/50th scale. Nice looking box. Let's take it out of the box. Put it off. Alright. Don't rip the box. What am I doing? Alright, is there any tape? Yes, there is. Don't want to slice myself. Alright, tape number 1. Tape number 2. Is there 3 and 4? No, they're not. 2 tapes. Alright, don't want to damage it. Here it is. Looks a little blurry. This Canon camera cannot focus when it's filming. See if I can do it like that. Yeah, that's better. It does open up like so, so it can access the engine. That's why it opens up. Don't mind the telehandler in the background. They're building a 4-story condo 2 houses down. Alright, yeah. Pretty cool. Nice addition to the collection. Alright, so there you go. Just the unboxing of the brand new Doosan DL420 made by IMC Models. Hope you guys enjoy it and see you guys next time.